In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove an object from your picture in just one click. With the help of Paint Bucket Fill tool, you can easily remove an object from your picture in just one click and get this result. So before I proceed to the tutorial, those who have been watching my channel and this video, please consider subscribing so that you won't miss any update from this channel in future. What's going on, everybody? This is Sri from Doodler Sri, and without adding further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. So let's see how we can use this Paint Bucket Fill tool to remove this man from this picture in just one click. So I have got this image from Pexels. So I have given the link in the description below. You can go ahead and download from that link. Okay. So let's start. First of all, I've opened it like this from desktop. Yeah. So now it is open. So what I will do now, it's just a one-click thing. First of all, I will go ahead and right click on that layer and make it layer from background, hitting OK. Now I will go to lasso tool and I will just select this particular subject which I want to remove from this image. So I'm just selecting it like this. Okay, now you can see this has been selected. Now I'll go to edit, fill. Here you can use like this is content aware. You have to choose content aware and opacity 100%, and I will hit OK. And boom, so it's gone. So now I can see little bit of like blurry things here and there. So we have solution for that also. So to do that, what you have to do is like you have to go to that clone stamp tool. Okay, as you can see at the left side, the clone stamp tool, just click on that, and I'm just increasing brush size by pressing the like bracket key on my keyboard, just making it a little bit bigger, and I will press the alt key and select particular this area. As I'm selecting this area, the texture and the particular thing will be copied from this area. So I'm just clicking alt and right clicking. So yeah, this has been selected. So just making the brush size a little bit bigger, doing the same process and just covering this part just like that. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you have learned something from this video, and if you have learned something from this video, please share your experiences and feedback in the comment section, and also let us know about if you have any better suggestion for this kind of tutorial. Be happy, be awesome, be positive, and be unique. Till the next time,